Hi everyone, welcome back to Tanya to Guide. So in this video, I am going to tell you about how to get an output by using a random number. Okay, for that we have to import some modules. So I am using Visual Studio Code. So now I'll tell you the program with the logic too. So now the program is, so this is a program, write a program to generate a random number between 0 and 9. So now the question is, I just wanted to get in the output some random number, okay? That may be 0, 1 or something. It should be from 0 to 9 only, okay? Now for that we are going to write a code. For that what we need to do is, I'm just importing this modules. So these are the importing random module, okay? These are the importing random modules. So I'm just using this. Now, what is the condition? We just wanted to get in the middle 0 to 9, right? So for that, import random. Now, print of random dot ran int of 0 to 9. Okay, so by this it indicates that you wanted to get the output some random number. So this random, all these are the importing modules, which is an advanced thing actually. Usually we'll learn using tuple, set, list and all that, but using these modules, it is very easy to get a program. Okay, so now see here, I'm just running the program. Now we got 3, right? So if you run it again and again, see 5. So like that, each and every time you will get a random number in the output. Okay, so this is just a basic program using the modules. So in a basic we'll learn like list, set, tuple and all that. It will be very lengthy code. Okay, by using this the code is reduced. Using the functions also we can generate. I hope everyone understood. So see, once again I'm just running it. Now the output is 3. So like that, each and every time the code will change. 5, 4, 2, 0. So the code will run within the 9. If you put 100, for suppose, let us imagine. So you will get the number within 0 to 100. See, 32 you are getting right now. Okay. See, I'm just deleting it again and I just want to show you the output again, 25. Like that, each and every time the numbers are repeating. Okay, it will be within the limit. So now let's move forward for the next question. So now this is a program to find the largest number among 3 inputs. So the user has to give 3 inputs. Within that 3, we'll find out which number is the largest number. So write a program to generate largest of 3 numbers. Okay, given by the user input. So now see here, I'm just creating 3 variables. We are the users, right? So we have to create a number 1. I'm just creating num1, which is a value. Num1 equals to float input enter first number. Okay, always write the code in a meaningful way. That is very, very important. So now just close the brackets. Already it's closed. Now num2 equals to, I just wanted to write float again. Input. You can even copy the code also. No issues. Just change it to first number to second number. Yeah, fine. Okay. So now like this, you can create a third variable. Why we have to create third variable? Because this is a program to check three numbers, right? So that's the reason I'm just creating three variables. If it is two, you can create two variables. So floor, why am I entering floor? Because usually people will try this with integer. Okay. So for a change, I just wanted to write with these things. You just wanted to know, you'll even get the output with third numbers and also like using float. Okay. Yeah. So now this is the code. Now each and every time we have to check the condition. Okay. To check the condition, what we need to do is we need an if statement if num1 greater than equals to. Okay. If num1 equals to greater than or equals to num2. Okay. I'm using comparison operator for this, and num1 greater than, again which number is there, greater than or equals to num3. So now I need to get a statement in that print, okay, largest, okay, or else largest is num1. You can write like this also. Okay. Now write the elif statement in this. Now check num1 greater than or equals to num2. And so while using this logical operator and, both the statement has to be true. Okay. Now num1 greater than or equals to num2 and num1 greater than or equals to num3. Okay. So now what do you get? Here I'm not changing any code actually. I don't know whether you're observing or not. Okay. Num1 greater than or equals to num3. If you put columns, the code will. Okay. Now start giving the print statement in this. Again, the same thing I'm just writing. Largest is num1. Okay. But here I was just writing it all in capital letters. Whatever you write within these double quotes, you will get the same thing. Okay. So now largest is num1. Okay. For a change, we need to change the code. Okay. Because see, first is num1 greater than num2 and num1 greater than num3. It is the same code which I write in the down also. So for that, I just wanted to change that with num2. Okay. So I wanted to change this with num2. So now see the code. Now even here also, I just wanted to change that. Instead of num1, num2 I'm just writing. So here largest is num1 is there, no? Instead of that, I just wanted to write num2. Okay. Now moving forward here, else statement. Else, now in this print statement, what do you need to write? Largest is num3. Okay. Here we forget to mention the double quotes, so don't forget to give the double quotes. Yeah. So now the code is done. I'm just deleting the previous output. Now see, if we are writing any errors, we'll get the errors there also. Okay. So now here we got the error largest is num2. So we missed double quotes there. Yeah, let's delete this. Let's run the code once again. Now enter first number. Yeah, I'm just entering 11. So now see second number 22, third number 4. Now by looking at that, you can say this largest number is 23. Okay. So if you want to add, you can add one more thing also. Instead of this print statement like this, you can add like this also. I'll show you. See, you can write like this also. Largest equals to num3. So give some space because it has to maintain some indentation, right? Yeah. So see here how it's going to work. Enter the first number 5, 8, some 9. Enter the third number. We are getting that largest equals to num3. Okay. When you declare something like this, you have to write a statement. Okay. So now print the largest number. Okay, print the largest number. Separate that with a column. Largest. Okay, if nothing is there, then automatically it will take the largest, because here we are declaring as a variable, then again we are writing as a print statement. So see here, enter the first number, that is 6, 7. So see here, largest is not defined. It has to define some value. Yeah, largest is num2. Okay. So now we have to define some value for that. Now let's run it again. Yeah. See here, we got the output. I gave the space there, so that is the error. That is why it is saying largest, it is not defined. So now when you are giving a statement like this, if both of these codes are not working, the largest number is 8. It is showing in float because the variable which we declared in the num is float. Okay, so don't get confused. I have created it in a different ways. Okay, usually people write the code like largest, instead of largest they'll write blindly the print statements and all that. So this is a new way to write a program. Instead of the writing statement like in the print, you can use some other third variable largest, then you can use a command print the largest number is largest, so that largest number, if nothing is greater than that, then this will be stored. Or else I'll do one thing. See here, I'm just giving this 99 as the first number, 8 1. Now what is the largest number actually? Largest is num1, you will get it. Okay, largest is num1, because whenever these conditions are true, then it won't come to the last print statement. Okay, whenever, if both of those are not working, then it will come to the last statement. See here, I'll just run it again. The first number is 6, next 7, next 99. Now obviously the largest number is 99. I hope everyone understood, right? So when both conditions are true in the if and elif, it won't come to the print statement which is last. Okay, if both are not working, the else statement is going to work. So this is how a programming to write in a different ways. I hope everyone understood these programs. If not, watch it repeatedly to get understood. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.